Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to block website in TP-Link omada router using URL filtering. URL filtering is a process that enables organizations to restrict the websites and content that employees can access. Users are blocked from visiting specific sites and prevented from using corporate resources, such as devices or network bandwidth, in a manner that could negatively affect the organization. Step 1. Open web browser in your PC. Next, input the device IP address and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Log in Omada router using an username and password. Next, navigate to Behavior Control, then click on Web Filtering. In the Web Filtering section, click on URL Filtering. Next, check the box to enable web filtering. To create URL filtering rule, click on Add. Next, select your IP group. Next, select Policy as Deny. Select Mode to URL path. Next, input website URL in filtering content. Next, set the description. Click OK to apply the configuration. Try accessing the blocked website from a device connected to your network to ensure that the blocking feature is working as intended. After block Yahoo, we block YouTube and see whether it gets blocked or not.